to another slide, you mean?
Yeah.
It's recording it in the time that you are, so that this recording is tied to this slide. So if I talk about it now, right, and then I go back to this one, you see it picks up where it left off on this slide. So it doesn't make sense. So what you want to record everything you're doing in Canvas. So I can tap on there, I can type in my password, I can go to the class. It's also good if you're doing like a keynote, not a keynote, a Kahoot or something, and you want to go over feedback. You can pull Keynote, you can Kahoot, you can run Keynote from within, explain everything. And that way your feedback that you do live in class with your kids is part of your video.
I mean, your Kahoot is going to be part of your,
yes.
You're running your Kahoot through your iPad,
yes.
through here.
Yes. So like the learning curve comes from after they get it all wrong, right? And then you pull it in and you get to go over it. Where in in educations, you could screenshot the question, you could pull it in one at a time. This, you can run the entire thing from it. Same thing with a Canvas quiz or quizzes or any of that stuff that you do, you can run from within here.
And you only record the part that you actually want to record. Like you
right.
run your Kahoot without recording, but
pause,
then going over the
annotate right on top of the problem, work it out, and it records the whole thing.
How do you run the Kahoot from in there? It's a link? You put a link on the
So
slide?
yeah, or like I can literally log into I would jump off to the screen so they don't see it. And I would log into Kahoot from here, yeah, and then play it. I can log in.
So can I, for quarter one, I really am going to try and do this, but for quarter one, can I leave my Educreations
Yeah.
and just let them say, hey, here's last year's videos, but I'm going to really try and focus on this?
Yes. I don't want anybody to feel forced into do this. Nobody should, if you should do whatever you feel most comfortable with. I just think if you've been on Educreations for a couple years and you're feeling like, okay, I'm okay with the recording part of it, maybe I could try something new. This is an option. It's not forced.
I personally, for me, it's easy. I need to do it in class because once I get home.
Right, you have no time.
No,
Mommy! In the background, yeah.
Well, until the girls go to bed, I can't do it, and then it's too late.
There's obviously a lot of other, it's still running. Actually, I'm override it. So now it gets rid of what was there and it starts it from scratch. And go back next slide and I say, okay, based on that example, and then I go slide and then I continue on with this example, blah, 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 and then I go to the slide. And then a kid decides to tell me that I did the last one wrong after I've already started this one. I can